Get ready to be amazed at how quickly you can neutralize a photo's color cast with the easy-to-use photo filters. Hi, this is Karen from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told. This video is being filmed in Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Adobe Photoshop, except where noted. So just what is a color cast and how do you identify it? A color cast is an unwanted color tint in an image. It can be the result of an incorrect white balance when taking a photo, or when light from a colored surface is reflected onto a subject. Color casts are typically yellow, pink, or blue. Some color casts can be obvious, such as in this image, which has a very strong yellow cast. Here is the same image with balanced coloring. Or color casts can be more subtle, like this one, which has a slight yellow cast. And here is the same image with balanced color. Compare the before and after photos. Look especially at the little boy's face and the white on the wall. Do you see the difference? Now that you can identify a color cast, the next question is, why would you want to remove it? Removing the color cast from an image will allow you to see the true original colors of the image. And the next question is, how do you remove a color cast? There are multiple ways to remove a color cast using Photoshop. Some ways are simple, some are more complicated. When attempting to remove a color cast, it's always best to start with a simple method first. It may work perfectly for your image and you won't have to do any other work on it. So let's try it. Open a photo that has a yellow color cast, or open the KS Color Cast Photo 1.jpg in the Downloads. In the Layers panel, click on the Create a New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon and choose Photo Filters. In the Properties panel, click on the down pointing arrow in the Filter options to reveal the names of the available filters. Click on the name of the first filter, which is the Warming Filter 85, to select it. Use the down pointing arrow on your keyboard to quickly cycle through the filters. You will see the filter preview on your photo. Continue until you find the filter that removes the excessive yellow in your photo. Mac users, you will need to apply each filter in order to see the results. Once you find the filter that removes most of the yellow color cast, and this image I feel that the Cooling Filter 82 did the best job, drag the density slider to the right to intensify the filter, or to the left to decrease the intensity. I think a density of 25 neutralized the yellow cast best in this image. Leave Preserve Luminosity checked to preserve the brightness of your image. Here's a before, and here's an after. And now let's work on a photo that has a pink color cast. Open a photo of your own that has a pink color cast, or open the KS Color Cast Photo 2 from the Downloads. Follow the same steps we used to neutralize the yellow color cast. So I will click on the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon, choose Photo Filter, and for this image, underwater worked best with a density of about 40–41%. So here's the before, and here's the after. Here are a few bonus color tips for you if you don't really know which filter to start with. Warm colors include reds, oranges, and yellows, and cool colors include greens, blues, and magentas. So if your photo has a reddish tint, which is warm, you'll want to use a cool photo filter to neutralize the reds. Conversely, if you have a photo that has a cool tint, start experimenting with photo filters that are in the warm spectrum. Here's a layout created using my neutralized photo. To learn more about identifying and correcting common photo problems using Adobe Camera Raw, check out An Eye for Edits by Jennifer Juris. You'll find a link to this class as well as a coupon code in the manual that accompanies this video. So that's how you use the photo filters to neutralize color casts in your photos. This has been Karen Schultz for Digital Scrapper.